Hello and welcome to lovely, beautiful, divine souls. Today we are going to check the energy, collective energy of your divine masculine or your divine counterpart. Again, I would reinstate that a divine masculine is not a male body specifically, it could be a female body, it could be it applies to anyone who is a 3D leader. A divine masculine is a 3D leader, and the divine feminine is the energetic leader. So, firstly, we'll check their soul space, and then we'll check the 3D space. So, I want you to calm down your energy and focus on your heart. Their soul space is very much exhausted. The exhaustion, I've been experiencing this for few days, that the divine masculine has been feeling very exhausted energetically, spiritually, within the soul, because the soul is at the point of time within their journey that it is so tired of repeating everything, of not being able to meet with their divine feminine. And meet, by meet I mean the union. I also see that there is the big rebirth happening for the collective divine masculines. They are going through the biggest rebirth of the lifetimes, and in the last 5 years that I've known, because their mental space is changing. Their mental space is changing so much. It's turning into a more loving energy. This because of you, divine feminines, because you have worked so hard. You have transmuted your shadows. You have turned into unconditional loving aspect. You have embodied your soul. And now this is why the divine masculine are truly rising. It may look like exhaustion and rebirth, but in reality, in the bigger picture, it's a biggest rise for them to for their inner union. Some of them are heading towards their own inner union. Some of them are heading towards individuation process. Some of them are also moving towards the 3D union also. Yeah, I'm hearing that specifically for you. The guidance is to be very playful. I know the divine feminine have been feeling it in their soul, the divine masculine's energy. They feel so weighed down. They're having literally the same inner dialogues, because the energy is so merged at this point. The divine feminine has already created inner union for herself, union with God for herself, ever connected space, oneness, the space of oneness for herself. And this is why she's feeling every little shift in the energy of her divine masculine. But the universe is guiding you to be playful, because whatever you have prayed for, you are ready to receive now. It's all happening for you. It's all happening for the bigger good. I know you have this, your heart goes out to the suffering of your divine masculine, but they need your strength, they need your groundedness, and you have to be grounded for them to ascend further. And how can you be grounded is be more involved in your purpose, in do more creative things. What makes you happy, what makes you recharge your soul, do those things. It's really going to boost up the divine masculine energy in the 3D space. Now let's check the 3D space. I'm going to use another card, which is the traditional Rider Waite for the 3D space of divine masculines. Okay, they are understanding that there has to be an equal give and take, equal balance of energy. They're understanding that the energies have to be balanced, the energies have to be so much high vibrational than it ever was. And they're mentally recognizing their divine version, their true divine version in action. And I see that there is a big expansion in their consciousness with this in their mental energy, in their heart space. There's a big consciousness towards themselves, towards their divine feminines. And now we have the Lovers card. Wow, it appearing in this reading is so refreshing, so refreshing. They are moving towards their truth of this journey, that this journey, the love they have towards you, it's not hallucination, it's not illusion. They understand now why they are constantly pulled towards you, what their soul needs, rather than the just the pull and push dynamics. They are understanding this is coming from the soul. And one big thing that I'm seeing, that it's them turning to their divine form. They don't want to settle for anything less than the lifelong relationship. They're telling them these things to themselves in their conscious mind. Especially, it's a big change for especially the divine masculine who were so scared to commit. Either they were in the third party, or they were afraid of the commitment, or something that made them, emotionally unavailable for a long term relationship. It could be anything. They're ready to fight this whole world for you. And this tells me that this is the aspect of a true divine masculine, who is ready to protect his divine feminine, who is ready to do anything for his divine feminine. And we also got two of cups as a final card. Wow, the lovers and two of cups in the same reading in the 3D space. So they are all about you, they are all about themselves, and most importantly, they're all about, doing things correct. They're not here coming from the energy of chase, mind you. In the 3D energy that I'm getting for from the divine masculine energy, this is the pure energy that they want to approach you in the most divine way. They want to surrender to God to have you in their life. They want to surrender to their own divinity to have access to your divine feminine energy, which is the true path. Because once a divine feminine has turned into her divinity, she is, surrendered to God. Anybody for accessing a divine feminine energy have to be very surrendered to God. That's the power of full surrender. That's the power of total union with God source energy. When a divine feminine is in the union with God, she is in union with eternity. She is in union with herself. She is filling her own cup. And this is when divine masculine sees that she is my home. I have no other home than her. And he would want that comfort of the home, not the artificial comfort, not the artificial comfort that came through escapism. He won't buy the lies anymore. So I'm so happy reading this for my collective, and after so long, I was guided to read this. It's a very good news for my divine feminines. I hope you keep on doing the inner work and surrendering more and more to the God source energy. If you have any inner work, if you have any healing, do it. If you want help, you can approach me. And one more message that I'm getting, this is for the divine feminines: break all karmic ties. If you see that there is something that your soul believes in, and your 3D is not in full alignment with the what the soul believes, start to embody it fully, start to come out, start to do the outer work, because I am getting the message that your inner work is almost complete. Now the inner work is about experiencing joy and creating the life that you have deserved all this while. Thank you. Do like and share this video with the someone you feel needs it, needs to hear anything in this. Thank you so much. I wish you all the love and joy from my heart to yours.